Hi there everyone, the name is here. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I decided to come in the evening, show you how the evening looks like on the patio. I live on the 26th floor, so it's still a little bit cold. Even though we're in May, we're almost in June, the summer is coming, so it's still cold. And I'm just filming this. It's right now 10 at night. So I got the new flanker by Hermès. This is the Terre Eau Givrée. This is the second flanker, Christine Nigel. Their new perfumer is doing it. The last one she did, I believe it came out in 2018. So about 4 years ago, it came out Terre Eau Vetiver, which I wasn't really fan of. It was okay. So I just picked this one up. Finally, one of the retail stores in Canada brought it, and I saw it. I wanted the 100 ml, but they didn't have the 100 ml, that 50 ml, so I picked it up right away. Doing a review, do unboxing for you guys. Yeah, I'm really excited about this, and the great thing about this year's is we got refillable bottles again, so I'm really excited about that. Let's jump right into it. There we go. Yeah, I love the Terre Hermès line. I think they do great fragrances. There we go. Oh, I love how the box looks like. You got the mountains, and you got some smoke here. Very nice. So let's get right. Oops, there goes the wind. It's a little bit windy out here. Oh wow. I like the bottle. It looks a little bit different. It reminds me of the Eau Fresh they had, which is discontinued. So it's kind of like frosted in the back, and we have a chrome on the top. Very nice. And let's see how they did this year's. Oh, so this year, instead of the twist ties they always had, they decided to do a cap, which I think that's cool. Yeah, I like the H thing they have, the logo for the imprint of the Hermès. Yeah, very nice. Okay, let's test her out. So excited. Finally, I got this fragrance. Okay, let's get this one. What is that? Whoops. Wow, very citrusy, sour. Yeah, it's very tart. I feel like lime, like you know how you smell the dried lime, that, and it's also the fresh lime too. But that's all I'm getting. Very nice. Citrusy, bright, like it's gonna go really well, like and I could get some piney nuance in it too, kind of like, yeah, it's a mixture of like juniper berries with the lime, which is, we have on the top, we have citron. Very nice. I like it. It smells very natural. Doesn't it's not like, doesn't smell synthetic, but wow, I'm really liking this one this year's. It's different than the other, like the original and those one by Jean-Claude Elena made. Yeah, this one's a different one. So I'm gonna let this dry down a bit, probably for an hour, and we're gonna see how it settles down, how the fragrance change, and I'll be back to tell you how I think of it. Be right back. Okay, and I'm back. So it's been an hour. I let the fragrance dry down. So let's see how it smells. Wow, it's got more piney. Like the citrus is still there, but I get the piney nuance from the pine tree, the cypress. Very nice. I like it how it's natural. It's like get a little bit earthy and get a little bit of woodiness in here. I love this one. Yeah, it's good. It's good. I see it. It will work really well coming into the summer. So I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. Yeah, very nice. Very different than the other fragrances, and comes in 50 ml and 100 ml, and it's the Eau de Parfum concentration. If you like really citrus, something like like earthy, like a little bit different, aromatic, a little bit. I feel like this has a little bit of spiciness to it. So I'm gonna be giving this, I want to wear it during the whole summer, and I'm gonna see what kind of compliments I get. I'm gonna go on the beach and go out and about to see what kind of reaction, ladies' reaction. I know Hermès is it's more mature type of a perfume fragrance. It doesn't get as much as a attention grabber. I like wearing Hermès just because not everyone wears here in like North America, so you don't want to be that person that's wearing the same fragrance as everyone else, so you want to stand out. So I think this is a really good pickup for sure. And if you're a fan of the Hermès, the Terre d'Hermès line, definitely give this one a try. Write down in the comment section below if you've tried this fragrance and what you think about it. If you got, what are the compliments factors like for you, because I would like to know. But yeah, I'm gonna keep on wearing it and see how it goes. So I'm just gonna apply some. I love this scent. Oh wow, feels so crisp, so, oh, I just love it, so natural. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.